Pwede ka magpagawa ng dress o 24 hours.
Want to make a banana?
So, makita na natin dulo sa dulo. Ikot na tayo.
Bati siya for you.
I love it.
How much is this?
Ito merong nakalagay. 100. Ano mainit?
Like this.
Maganda rin to. How about your food? What's your national food?
Durian.
Ah, durian. Same in the Philippines. Pero ayoko ng durian.
But I don't like the smell of durian.
Yeah, me too.
Much before they cannot eat.
Yeah.
Is there durian coffee? Durian coffee?
Yeah.
Oh?
Amazing.
And then you know longan. Longan.
Yeah, I know long.
That's that for
Longgan.
Ang lahat na pwede mo puro lumak siguro dito. Sabi ko gising ka niya ng
They feed them. They feed them in the big trunk.
yeah, black one.
I show you the picture. More easy. So, this one you
okay.
can see. This one original name from Indonesia. This one they call this one Kapi Luwak one. But in my father place, I told you already. We also separate two kinds. And this one they live. Nah, this one the farm one. I show you. You can see. So the farm one is mean they live in like this one, and they eat the coffee berries.
They let it them eat
Yeah.
the coffee.
So very easy to find the pool in here. So I call this one the farm one.
Because it's already within the
Yeah.
area.
The farm one we have I can say we can control the quality, so we have
Okay.
many for 1 month. Thank you. But with the luwak one, it's mean the wild, more rare quality. Because this one they live in the big one, the big area. So this one we find the pool like this one. Yeah, very hard to find. So this one I say this one more I can say this one more expensive.
Ah, okay.
And-
Because it's harder also to find.
Yeah. So we need to pay more money for the farm. The farmer they looking for the pool. Yeah. And this one, you know, this one with the luwak coffee, we don't have too much for 1 month. 1 month we just have about 3 or 4 kilo. This one maximum already. Don't have more.
That's so little.
Yeah.
For 1 month, you only have 3 kilos for
So
the
it's
stock.
very expensive.
Yeah.
In my father place, not too expensive. Yeah, not too expensive.
So you
It's
sell
more
it for us
accessible
in
in
a cheaper price.
Yeah, of course. You can see, huh?
So how do you clean up those beans which
Kaya ayun na
came
may
from?
organic na
So you know this one, we take a bowl, so we leaning about 3 or 4 sets, so we roll. Because long time ago, many people they do it, but now we have the big company, so we have the machine.
Oh, you
Yeah,
use
they do
machine.
many steps already. You don't worry. You can see the.
So you want we will not see poop in the in the beans. Where can I put
Ano
this?
sa'yo, babe? Ako kuha ko ng luwak.
I can share with you. I want to share with you a bit. You can see this picture. This one also the whistle coffee, but some place they don't have the real thing, so they put more the flavor and chemical inside. Yeah, and this one when you want to check, very easy. I show you. So you can smell again. This one the Alameda coffee. Because when you want to check, you get a little bit of coffee bean on your hand, and you want the coffee bean like this one.
And you'll stain your hand, right?
Yeah, you can see this under no color, no color, no dirty. Yeah, if you see some dirty or the black color, this under flavor and chemical.
So it's not organic.
Yeah, correct. Because you normally when you come one store, they give you the whole bean. You just smell the whole bean, nice or not nice, and you buy.
You have to rub it, right?
Yeah, you need to do it because now not only in Vietnam we use flavor and chemical, another place they also use a lot inside. So I think this one small tip for you, easy to take care your healthy.
Okay, thank you for
Thank
that
you for the tip.
idea.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Do you have
Are you talking about the beef? Oh, okay. Let's transfer the beef. Okay, okay. I think you have to cook very fast. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the tip. Kunin mo na. Patingin tip. Be, parang okay naman. Sakto lang. Hindi masikip dito. What meat?
what meat? Beef, pork, chicken,
Pork?